Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of changing the lock system on your TM5. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a cleaning cloth. First, ensure that the TM5 is unplugged from any power source. Safety is our priority. Begin by removing the screws located on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws, keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the back panel. Here, you will see the internal components of the TM5. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside using the cleaning cloth. A clean environment is essential for the proper functioning of your device. Next, locate the lock system. It should be attached to the main board with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip them, as they can be difficult to remove later. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the lock system from its connector. This is where you might need your pliers to carefully pull off any tight connections. If you find this step challenging or if you lack the necessary tools, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Now that the old lock system is removed, let's prepare to install the new one. Take your new lock system and connect it to the same connector on the main board, ensuring it fits snugly. Once connected, secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid future issues. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new lock system. Plug in your TM5 and check if the lock engages and disengages properly. If everything is functioning well, you can proceed to the next step. Reattach the back panel by aligning it properly with the screw holes, then secure it in place with the screws. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a straightforward process to follow. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your TM5 with your cleaning cloth to give it a fresh look. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the lock system on your TM5. If you need any assistance or if you would like a professional diagnosis without obligation, feel free to reach out. Don't forget, we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you are aware of all costs involved. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.